So what are some of my favorite sites to find some design inspiration? Number one is muz.ly, so muz.ly. What happens is they send you a dashboard on your Google Chrome, and it's an extension. You can download it, and what happens is it's curated especially for you, so you can choose what sites will update on that dashboard, and you can get design inspiration every day. I also have some other tech stuff on there, but it's super useful and super handy. And I'm pretty sure InVision bought them out, so they own that, but it has awesome inspiration. So every time you open a new tab on your Google Chrome, and it's going to open up and you're going to see that inspiration for the day and what's new. So I love using that. Super cool. I love using Pinterest. I follow a lot of other designers on there, and it just has a vast array of different images. Instead of going to Google Images, I prefer to go to Pinterest first, and I can organize my boards. So I'll have logo design, branding, illustration, typography, vintage labels, and I'll sort of put that all together. So whenever I need to reference something for a project, I can go there, get some inspiration, or even get some color palettes from there and utilize that. Also, Dribbble and Behance, they're also great places. Plenty of designers use them, but the bad thing is about using them is you don't want to stare at it too much because you might copy. But it's really good if you want to get some inspiration, look at color palettes, look at form, shapes, layouts, all that type of stuff. You can go on there, and it's good to build mood boards or style boards from those images, and you can grab it and get the flavor, get the vibe, and make it from that. So those are a few sites I use to get some inspiration. There's plenty of others like Abzidu, you got Creative Block, there's plenty of others. So just find the few ones that you really like to use, and that's gonna make your workflow a lot efficient. So you don't have to go all around the web and finding just everything. You can just pick a few that are really good and get it curated. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Let me know what videos or tutorials you want to see, and I look forward to creating more videos for you in the future.